and they've established a factory in Canada in Kingston, and most of the people are run by Chinese. They established only here, but Canada not getting any benefit. So they manufacture the soap from goat milk and supply all to the world, supply to the all countries in the world. So Chinese has different technique, different knowledge. They utilize this in production of different country. So they're fantastic. It's very beautiful manufacturing store, looking nice. But all people, Chinese people working here. They built a factory here, not for Canada, but it for China, not for China, to every country of the world. Supply the goat soap, every country of the world. Goat soap is very beautiful. Is good for cosmetics, like skin development, and make skin soft and beautiful and lively color. So they established the goat manufacturing soap from the milk. Thank you very much. This is Canada. I'm talking from Canada, and this is from Kingston, Ontario, and in Canada. Thank you very much, everybody.